we have here two lines A and B, and they are cut by transversal. Let's put that this is our T, because we have given here alternate exterior angles. So we will use alternate exterior angles converse if two lines are cut by a transversal, so the alternate exterior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. So alternate exterior angles, let me remind you, they are angles which are outside of these two lines and opposite side of our transversal. So we have by alternate exterior angles converse that 4y degrees must be equal to 100 degrees. So let's forget about degrees. So we have that 4y is equal 100. Now we will divide by 4 both sides. So we have that y is equal 25. So for y equals 25, our lines A and B are parallel. This is my solution.